I'm Jayla. This is Jay, my sister, and we're doing magic rock. I'm Jayla. This is my sister Jay, and we're doing magic rocks. See, we say magic rock. No. We have magic solution.
Magic solution.
Baba.
Okay, what do you have?
We have
Metallic salts.
metallic salt.
And then you gave us a container too, right?
Yeah, and we're gonna put it in.
And
This water.
we had to tape
Like that.
the picture on.
Yeah.
I'll put it right there.
So we're gonna place the rocks in.
Yeah.
We can put water in, and you can move them, Jayla. Don't put your finger in there.
Now, Jayla, move them around.
I don't want them to go with each other.
So they're like, yep, evenly spread out. These
One
are our
spread
metallic
out.
salts.
No.
Right, you see over here.
Can I see?
Jayla,
Move your finger.
we want to see on the camera.
Okay.
We can't see.
I want to see it. I want to see with the minnow.
Okay, that's good. Good enough. Good enough.
Enough.
So Jayla made them all evenly spaced out. And then we have our, what is this, Jayla?
Water.
This is our water mixed with our magic solution.
Yeah.
16 fluid ounces
Can we put this
of water,
in here?
which is 2 cups.
Can we put this in
Warm
here?
water.
Can we put this in here?
Stir it.
Okay. Can I stir it? Can I stir it? I'm gonna put it in. Finger.
So the water messed them up, and Jayla's gonna remove them and place them with the stick, not putting her hand in.
Why?
And you have to use warm water, because cold water stunts the growth, and hot water accelerates the growth.
Okay. I'm moving it. Yeah, look perfect.
So now you have to wait 6 hours.
6 hours?
How many?
6 hours.